I recently received a great question from a student of quantum courses. Monroe asked, after watching your video, I see many ways to build a business to create various income streams, but can I also make a solid income with stock trading and investing? In other words, should he build a business or use stock trading and investing to earn his income? In my opinion, the answer is both. Trading assets such as stocks or cryptocurrency is definitely another way to earn online income besides running your business. But I actually don't consider trading and investing as a business, but a great supplemental source of income to help grow the money that I do earn from my businesses. In today's economy, simply saving money is not a viable option. With record low interest rates, you will actually lose money over time by only saving due to inflation. You have to find ways to have the money that you earn start to work for you. One strategy that I use is to take a percentage of the profits I earn from my businesses and use them to invest and trade. But assets such as stocks and cryptocurrency can be extremely volatile, so I wouldn't depend on trading alone to earn my living. There can be many factors that can cause them to go up or down in the short term. But running a business with a stable monthly income provides you with more security, which allows you to confidently invest or trade the money that you earn. If you're interested in learning how to get started with trading and investing to have your money work for you, I have several courses on both stocks and cryptocurrency to help you get started. You can find the links to our trading and investing courses in the video description below. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.